Alright, step one, how to feed the cats. We get a piece of foil. This one here. And you'll notice when you get your foil, the cats come running, and this one does. So, you flatten it out. There's the foil. We get cat food right here. We open it up. Only open it halfway. Get a spoon. And then you scoop it on here and split it in half. Okay. And you throw the spoon in the sink and Chelsea will clean out here. And then you just take your foil and you throw it down on the ground. And you hope the other cat comes over before she eats it. And that's how you feed the wet food. The dry food is in the pantry, which we will leave out in the kitchen. And you put a little extra dry food in the bowl, and they're happy cats. And that's how you feed the cats. The water should be good, because we'll fill that bottle up and it'll be fine.